Hi everyone, it's Mike Margulis from E&B Auto Repair in Fort Bragg, California. I want to talk to you today about the California Smog Check program. If you are a buyer looking to buy a used vehicle from a private party, or you are a seller looking to sell your vehicle to a private party, you need to know this. The law requires the seller to provide the buyer with a passing smog certificate at the time of transfer. Now, I'm not picking on sellers here. Sometimes we're the seller of a vehicle and sometimes we're the buyer. I'm just telling you what the law says, and it makes sense when you think about it. If you're the buyer, you want to know that you're going to be able to get clean title of that car. So don't buy a vehicle unless it's been smogged. If it's a late model car, low miles, maybe go ahead and take the chance. I wouldn't. We see it in the shop all the time. We've seen a whole rash of it lately. Somebody bought a car, it won't pass smog. They go back to the seller already spent the money on another car, or they tell the buyer, no, you bought that as is, So sometimes these things even end up in court. It can be pretty severe. And the law is on the buyer's side in this case. So my advice to sellers, have that smog certificate in hand when you go to sell the car. It's good for 90 days, gives you, 90 days to sell your car once you get that smog certificate in hand. But you've got a better chance of selling that to somebody after hours. Most of the time, somebody's going to want to be looking for a car after work or on a weekend, and you're not going to find a smog check station open during hours like that. So if you have it in hand, you can sell the car. It's much more desirable to a buyer. And again, hopefully I drove this home to the buyers. Don't buy that car without a smog check. All right? And hope to see you next time. Bye.